Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about ZenaTech Incorporation trading on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol ZENA. ZenaTech Incorporation is a technology-focused company that works in areas like drone solutions, enterprise software, and AI-driven applications. The company is positioning itself in industries that are rapidly evolving, especially automation, surveillance technology, and smart business systems. What makes ZenaTech interesting is its focus on combining software with real world hardware solutions like drones. These technologies can be used in sectors such as agriculture, security, logistics, and infrastructure monitoring. As industries move toward automation and data-driven decision making, companies like ZenaTech could benefit from long-term adoption trends. Looking at the recent chart movement, we can see that the stock has shown a short-term upward trend during the day, followed by some consolidation. This type of movement often indicates that buyers stepped in earlier, pushing the price higher, but later the momentum slowed down as traders took positions and the market stabilized. The price action suggests a gradual climb with small pullbacks, which can be a sign of controlled movement rather than extreme volatility. However, there is also some sideways movement later in the session, indicating that the market is currently uncertain about the next direction. From a technical perspective, the stock appears to be testing a short-term resistance zone near its recent highs. If momentum continues, it may attempt to move higher, but if pressure increases, it could revisit lower support areas seen earlier in the day. In terms of future outlook, ZenaTech operates in sectors that are expected to grow over time, especially drone technology and AI integration. The key factor will be how effectively the company expands its products, partnerships, and real world applications. Growth in these areas could strengthen its position in the tech space. At the same time, like many emerging technology companies, it may face challenges such as competition, innovation, pressure, and market sentiment shifts. So it's important to watch how the company evolves over time before making any decisions. Always do your own research and understand the risk involved. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not provide financial advice or recommendations. Always consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Thank you for watching.